Welcome back. Now, another way to match the script inside of Pictory is to first have the script read in ElevenLabs. So, for example, when we get to the audio section, one of the things that you'll see is that in the premium area of Pictory, you can upload your own voiceover. And if this is the case, what you would be doing is producing your audio in ElevenLabs. What we would do first is to enter our text into ElevenLabs. And what you want to try to do is to logically break your text in the way in which you want it to be narrated. Once you have your text inside of ElevenLabs, you'll then want to have it read in real time. And we will go through that process in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.